Good morning, people. We're back again on Tuesday, the 2nd, to go over these beautiful markets that we call the Australian dollar. Overnight, I don't know where. Yesterday on Monday morning, nigga was fighting for longs. I'm not gonna cap. I ain't gonna say I was fighting, but I was being numb to the fact that, we did have a bearish engulfing yesterday morning, and I completely ignored that simply because if you look right here, I had a gap in the lower time frame, but I easily should have been, in which I was, I just trade after this next candle closed down to take out the lows. I was already out of buys, but nonetheless, knowing when and when not to go against the engulfing is a very key parameter to look at when putting risk on the line. Because if you're looking for a reversal on a smaller time frame, but the higher time frame is clearly saying that we have more buyers than sellers. And not only do we have more buyers than sellers, but they showed their ass in the form of an engulfing candle. So just with that being alone, you got to at least let that play out to see what's the possibilities of that being true or not. And like I said, one way you can do that is just waiting for candles to close. That's the only way we can confirm if something's really going to do what it's going to do. Because this next candle right here that dropped bearish could have been this candle over here. We don't know. It could have dropped all the way down. It could have closed bullish up here and then ripped up, kind of going in. What eventually would happen, but that's a whole other story because that was news. But still in all, when we have an obvious direction shift with engulfing, just let that play out until you see otherwise, until you see at least, give it a color change candle or, opposite opposing color change. If we're getting bearish, let's just wait till we get bullish. And with patience, you would have got in early here at 4, but that would have been stopped out before the new day. New day creates a low here in the Asian session. Creates that engulfing, followed by another one at midnight. We got the high of the day created in London, also giving us an engulfing candle. And it's questionable if we're going to follow suit with what today has to offer. And we'll check to see if news is going to be affecting anything. I don't think so, but I think it is news today. I think it's news every day. We got NFP. I want to say, interest rates. I think it's today or tomorrow. I'm going to double check. But the reason we had this push overnight, and it was a crazy push. Let me see. This came from, say, 66,300 to 67,100. So 300. That's 800 pips that the market did overnight. Come on, man. That's 80 pips. I'm tripping. That's 80 pips, not 800. So that'd be nice, though. Excuse me. Give me 1 second, y'all. All right, we back. Yeah, but that's going in line with the news that was released last night. I believe the Australian dollar had a well, the fuck was that? Oh yeah, that was news. I'm tripping. I'm about to say, what the hell was that? Okay, yeah, that was interest rate for Australian dollar. I thought it would have showed like at 11:30 or something. So that's why we had this bullish push. It looked like we about to get a continuation potentially. So we're gonna have to wait till this candle closes to see if we can get into more buys on this engulfing at 7 a.m. And yeah, I mean, with that push out, I mean, we're definitely in bullish trend on us, on the minor time frame. We're looking at time frame intervals. On the minor time frame interval, we are definitely in bullish formation. This was the manipulation here. Came down, and as soon as we get a push out, that's where we want to get our. So I'm going to go long at manipulation. And a continuation with pro trend. And pro trend is basically 4-hour daily. And if we look at the daily, we did feel that wick from yesterday. This is all price action from 5 p.m. to overnight with the news. So let's see, what did they give us? 66. Let's see, 66, 200. 67. Almost 200, almost 100 pips. That's about the average. So if anything, I feel like we're going to drop down, sell off into deeper discounts, and then buy it from there. So we'll be looking for discount areas for the market to drop down into to buy, because we don't expect it to go up another 20, 50 pips onto the buy side, because this market only averages about 80, 90, 100 pips, and it already did that. So that's a good key thing that you need to know about the pair that you trade. What's the average amount of pips that it produces, so you kind of know what's overextended, what has more room to grow, throughout the cycle of time, of a daily candle. So We will monitor this, but I feel like overall we can have some more selling off, especially with that engulfing, that bearish engulfing that happened overnight. Yeah, during London. So we do have old price action that we didn't clear out that I would think it wouldn't hurt to go and clear this out. And with that being said, we might see sales from then, but this could be had in the Asian session after we get a daily close. So we might sell off here and then push higher into 1700 hours. And then from there, new daily forms, and then we get another interjection of volume, throughout the Asian into London session that would push higher up into this old 1 hour gap, I believe. Yeah, from over here. Didn't 100% feel it. I mean, we had this wick, but you feel me? I just tested that. Pushing up higher. Yeah, so this is a waiting game on this. But we do have 15 more minutes. Let's just take a glance and see what that structure looks like. We're fighting off of engulfing, so that's one thing, but it's all minor levels, until we look at the grand scheme of things. I mean, we still have this area, pretty much the median area of this candle that we can still drop to. So we got about 65, 70. We're 5 pips away. It's nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Uh, 70, 80. I don't know why I thought that was just 5 pips. That's 70, it's 30 something pips. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to take a quick little break real quick. I'm going to step out, get some coffee and some tea, and then we'll be back to talk about news. Monitor this on a 5-minute. See how it closes. Got 10 more minutes left. I'll be back, guys. Oh, no, get out. Showing our first sign of reversals on a smaller time frame. But overall, looking like we're going to get this engulfing on a 1 hour. So, that means, does our bias go with this engulfing from London? Or do we continue with the bullish bias that we set in place from interest rates? We know that London typically does set the high or the low of the day, but we also know this is a manipulation week. We got NFP coming out. So we got to keep that in mind. Monitor it. Might be a double scenario. Again, 02. Take it down to 83. So we're going to target this level down here, 66.83 on these sales. Let's see how we do. I feel. So we got the bullish engulfing close at, what was that? 7, 8 o'clock. Well, it's 7 right now, but 8 o'clock New York time. No, 6 o'clock New York time. It's 7 here. It's 8 there. So 6 here, 7 there. But yeah, so this is our 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock close candle right here. That was engulfing, and we'll be attacking new highs. But the fact that we retested off of this engulfing, I got in on sales to continue because I felt like this engulfing hasn't done enough of the move. Like it didn't even go to the midpoint level of this bullish push. And if we look at that, we can use fibs to draw the range just for that hourly. And this would be our mid level. So we'd be looking at 66, 61. And what do you know? Goes right in line with this. So let's drop a line right there. Here. Change the color green. I'll do 2. So that's our ultimate targets for this sale. 66, 62. And then if we do get that, then we can start targeting this upside. If not, we'll be pushing all the way down here to target the sell side liquidity, which would be pretty much here. It's like down there, equal lows in a way. So could possibly drop as low as here, but we'll be looking to take off majority of position or just see how it reacts for this level. Yes, we are in sales, ladies and gentlemen. I know I said don't go against the engulfing, but this one engulfed in London, created the high of the day, retraced up to that price, also filling in gaps on the lower time frame. So that's why I took that sale. That was not the case. I probably would be taking buys, but I do realize that this buy is not this buy. And you'll see the difference. You see the difference between that buy with potentially just this previous upside it already did, to finish out the range? Or do you like this buy? Well, not only the sure possibility that's going to get to that range, but we had areas of interest all the way up here from the 4-hour time frame, and then shot straight to that motherfucker with no issue. Then again, you got buys down here off of major support. So that's the buys you want to be looking at. Not to say this one can't work out, but you got to understand where you're taking your buys from. Are you taking it at the top? Are you taking it at the bottom? That's support. Because that's key. That is key. We cannot be out here just lollygagging. All right, let's take a quick glance at the news. Okay. So yesterday morning, 9:45, 10 a.m. we did get these releases for the US dollar. Then overnight, like 11:30, I think this is set to NYC time zone, but 11:30 we did get the bullish push we saw from Australian dollar side, and hence the reason why we got that push is because you see the actual higher than expected increase in interest rates would increase the Australian dollar, which will increase the market on that trading pair. Remember, Australian dollar is the base price or the quoted price, and in a currency pair, whatever currency is first, that is the pair that will positively move the market based on news. So everything works positive for them. So if it's positive news, we get a positive reaction. Negative news, we get a negative reaction. On the opposite side, the base currency or the quoted currency is shown as positive news, we get a negative reaction in the market, and vice versa. One thing I do know, we do have news coming out at 10 or really 9 our time. Yeah, 9 our time. So hour 52 minutes, roughly 2 hours, 9 JOLTS job openings. And then tonight at 6 and 8:30, we have Judo Bank Services PMI and Retail Sale PMI. So that's that. Wednesday, we got ADP and employment change. Got the S&P Global Services, IS79 manufacturing, and then we got the Fed rate, interest rate decision coming out tomorrow at 1. You heard me? So with that being said, we should see a drop, because if we get an increase, the consensus is 5.25. Previous is 5. We do get this consensus, then not only are we bullish from the previous, but we'll be flat from the consensus. So we should see a drop in the market, because that should increase the power of the dollar, which, like I said, when you see a positive news release, you get a negative reaction in the market. So the market should sell off tomorrow morning. And that goes to show you that we should have some more upside potential if we're going to get a sell-off from the interest rate. But like I said, you can't really just cookie cutter that type of move and be like, well, the news is going to be this, so the market should react this way. Like, yeah, it should react this way, but not to say that it will. So we don't trade off of willpower and luck. We just gather the facts that the market is telling us currently in our face. Fact number 1. Yes, we are bullish. But are we bullish in a bearish move? Let's see. Yeah, I would say that. Overall, we bearish. Took out this low. Bearish. Couldn't take out these high. Rejected strong from it. Tried to come down and take out the low to create a new low, but rejected from that area. Feeling clean traffic and potentially could turn around, sell off on the daily. Bella, your bus. Yo, bus, Bella. It's about to go. Girl, go. Have fun. Go, baby, go. Go. Run, 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 run. Go, girl. I know. What you waiting on? Damn it, about to tell it. A little bit. You see how that's working? Oh, awesome sauce. 4 hour. It'd be nice to get it engulfing on the 4 hour. Feel this crazy as nonsense that the Australian dollar did. It was pushing, well, it was trying. It's all good. They're probably gonna get one more push. I ain't gonna cap. Feel it in this area on the 4 hour. I could see that. I could potentially see that. I mean, we did kind of tap into that, but I could see us doing a little up there, probably with the news too. The news release probably go pop it up, and then we'll sell off. But we'll see. We shall see. Nice way to take out all this area. See if we can get a push down here. So we're looking to get right here. This is I'll take profit for this, but I won't get out the whole trade. I'm just gonna take off majority of the position, and I'll let the rest run all the way down to 66, 62 at mid-range level. After we get to 66.90, I'll move my stop loss to break even, and we'll let it ride. We'll let it ride. How about that, guys? But yeah, I was basically looking at this 1 hour. Letting everybody know was having profits was gonna take here, and we're gonna let the rest run all the way down to here, 66, 62, to go in line with this. So once I get to 66.90, I'll move my stops to break even, because I'm pretty much have more of a sure notion that we're gonna get to. What we're gonna get to, like, price has to. I don't want to say it has to, but it has to have some sort of a breather after the price run that it did. Price is not just going straight up and straight down. And I mean, you got clean traffic. I mean, we've been seeing this for months, for years. Every time the market creates clean traffic, and then not only that, it's not really the best of clean traffic. It's like 1 or 2 candles on the 1 hour, if you really want to be honest. Like, this is more clean traffic that got filled with this. See how this 1 candle filled all this traffic pretty much. But like, this is clean traffic that got filled. This is like beauty and the beast, nigga. You hit a sell, then a buy, then another. Man, come on, bro. A sell after the highs are taken out, filling in this area right here. Like, it's just, man, this shit is sweet. Now with this extension, we should want to see at least to this area. But I mean, if we get the whole thing to fill, like I said, I know our daily range for this pair, as far as the pips that it puts in, is anywhere in the 70 to 100, 70, 80 to 100. So we damn near already did 100 pips overnight when the news dropped, but we got 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. So until we get to 5 p.m. today, I won't expect another 40, 30, 40 pips to the upside, when we got so much clean traffic that we can retrace to on the downside for the morning, and then continue bullish into the new daily candle. That's what we're expecting price to do. We're just gonna be patient and let it play out. It's working out so far, and it's been working out every morning. So we're not here to go against what's been working. I feel your lips so warm. The touch of your hand is like you take the other one? All right. The blush of your cheek tells me that you are much desire, every kiss you give sets my soul up. I give myself in sweet, so blue. My one and only.
Tequila Código. For generations, there have been whispers in Mexico. A sacred tequila set aside by the humidors of Matitan to share only amongst themselves. Today, the sacred spirit is for all, from the birthplace of tequila to your lips. Tequila Código, the whisper of Mexico. Please drink responsibly. Código 1530 Tequila, 40% alcohol by volume. Copyright 2023. Imported by Código Imports, New York, New York. Tide Power Pods have 85% more Tide.
Who needs that much more Tide?
Well, when giving your money rubber bath, Tide is you get a light shower. Yikes, you're gonna need more Tide. When your wine tasting becomes a wine spilling. Yeah, you're gonna need more Tide. Or if your favorite shirt is your kid's favorite napkin. Greg, I'm gonna need more Tide. My mom gave me that shirt.
It's a mess out there. Tide Power Pods have 85% more Tide versus Tide Pods.
Funnables aren't just fruit snacks. Every bite becomes a unicorn space mission. Woo! This is going for Funland. Roar! Even a deep sea dive into a rainbow river. Splash! Little bursts of fruity fun. Funnables are made with 7.1% real fruit puree and are an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and E. Make snack time playtime with Funnables fruit snacks. Have fun! Eat it too. Tap the banner to shop now.
Yeah, we just simply a nice little sell off, man. Yeah. Two more pips, so I'll move my break even. Come on, baby. Let's get that bearish push. Looking good, looking good. Probably gonna let this ride out until we get into our take profit area. Not sure if that's gonna happen during this hour, but why not? Let's just wait and see. That'd be crazy though. We get this candle to engulf that. That'll let the bears speak their mind, if you will. It's like yeah, we are in sales, guys. Basically, we took sales off of that push up of the previous hour right here, retracing to this area of interest after price came down around 3 a.m. to create our bearish engulfing candle. Not only that, we changed structure. Structure was gone bullish. We changed structure over here going bearish. So any unfilled gaps all right here, we want to target. And typically when we are strongly in a bearish move, typically we'll target more the lower entries. Like I said, we got this bearish move to continue with structure off of this one. So the next one should take out this resistance, probably struggle at this support here, which it did, by also filling in this gap, which it did. And then we get the sell off. I think we already hit take profit on our account. We're 2 pips away. From taking profit. We got 30 more minutes left on this hour, then we're gonna wrap up the live.
One in eight. That's how many people have worked at a McDonald's. Who served millions the best Big Mac and best birthday party they've ever had. We haven't just seen kids graduate from a Happy Meal, or have gotten help graduating themselves, because they know the skills learned here.
Take profit.
Or keep growing. One in eight start at McDonald's.
We just took profit in our trading account. So just like that, baby. Beautiful trade on the live. We took sales. We couldn't catch that engulfing at 3 a.m. So basically what happened, instead of blindly taking buys off this engulfing, we realized one thing. Well, a lot of things. One, not only was it overnight, but it was at midnight, right after Asian session. The bulk of Asian session pretty much closed, and then we get pre-London. We get a push after a heavy news release, high news release from the Australian dollar, which is their interest rate. They released that at midnight, right around midnight, 11:30 to 12:30. That news was high, of course. Like I said, being that they are the base price, as you can see, quoted price, US dollar, the base price, whatever news release is positive, you're going to get a positive reaction in the market. We had positive news. We got this big, strong, bullish push because there was a lot of orders coming into the market for interest rate news. They knew that was going to be a heavy release. You take out structure here. Redo that. So we have somewhat of like structure here, like equal highs here. That was taken out here, but it was weak. I don't know if y'all understand about weak swings, strong swings, and weak swings. For instance, a strong swing would be a swing point that took out a previous swing point. That's strong. And not only is this strong, more so this strong. This swing point took out this high. This one failed, stopped here. So this potentially could be tested. It's looked at as a weak scenario. This gonna hold more weight because it broke this high. And as you can see, we get the strong push from here. Even though this was news, that was really why we got that strong push. But that's typically how they play that scenario. Then we ultimately take out these highs, which those were pretty much all last week. But not only did we take out this low level of structure that was going bearish, we took out key levels that created this bearish move from the 25th that we have on the 1 hour. Because we went as high as, 67.15. If we look at here, 67.15, we're right around here. So not only that, the consolidation box that we were waiting to break out of to see how we were going to trade, we took out that liquidity, which was resting up here. Still didn't finish the job, which I think we still can. I don't know if we'll do that in this session in the morning or after news releases at that volume. We'll push that higher. I'm not sure. We'll have to wait and see. But there are more targets, areas to fill. But nonetheless, we took out a lot of equal highs. That's strong areas. That shows strong resistance, strong support. That just shows strong zones. So we took out all that. So that's signs for reversal. Not only that, knowing that London typically creates the high of the low of the day because they put the most orders in for the day. They create the most volume in the day, which is why you see more volume at the London and New York crossover around that 7, 8, 9 p.m. time frame. So that's why we got this engulfing, bearish engulfing right here at 3 a.m. during the heat of the London session when the orders really jumped in. So with that being said, I saw this bullish engulfing. I'm like, okay, let's see the bullish engulfing. Pretty much during, let's say, pre-New York Open at 8. But that is 8. So that is, no, that's not. This is 8. So yeah, that's pre-New York. 7 a.m. New York time is what I have on my chart. That's pre-New York. New York opens at 8 o'clock, which is happening right now. We are in 8:37 New York. So with that being said, I thought that was kind of premature to get a buy set up near the highs. Not to say it wouldn't work, but I like buy setups near support, which we already had. Like I said, these are the buys near support. See how we get this engulfing down here? You get engulfings down here, even though that one didn't work out. But hey, if you held, it would have worked out real nice. But this is, sweeping liquidity down here to grab more. So if you look at it that way, maybe you could have held or added to that position. But we get this engulfing down here. We get this one still under, one of the major swing points. So it was still like in a discount, if you will. Like everything up here is premium. Everything under here is discounted. And we caught one. So, with all that being said, I view, yes, it was engulfing, but I view this push up as a retrace, an area to get back into sales, enticing people into buys, but the real move is to sell. So, we're just going to see how that plays out. And like I said, overall, I'm letting my runner run down here. I already took off majority of that sell I had. We took profit right here. Where I said take profit, and we did get out on Oanda, and we're letting the rest run all the way down to 66, 62. It'll be a nice move because we pretty much already made the range. So with that being said, when you know you had a range already made, for the most part, you can look. You can look at that as like, okay, we got the range so far, and we know London kind of makes the high. We already created that. Not only did we create that, we created that in an engulfing pattern. And chances are we may be, starting to retest off of this, I would say, fake bullish situation that happened for this Australian dollar interest rate that happened overnight. Because, yeah, our dollar is way stronger than theirs. So it's not going to get no crazy push. You're going to get a manipulation push, but not no bullish push like that. So that's, with all that in my mind, I felt strong about the bearish direction that was trying to form. And as traders, our job is to be as early as possible to the move, or recognize the move happening and just, try to capture the majority share of that move, because you never catch the full thing. We got 20 minutes left, and it's testing with the fact that they want to engulf that engulfing. So that just shows you how much weight that bullish engulfing held that we just experienced last hour. And let me see, when did that open? That opened at 66.86. And right now we're at 66.88. We're 2 pips away. Let's see what the 15-minute looking like. Let it close below here. This 15-minute candle is going to close in 4 minutes, and then we got another one. Nonetheless, beautiful trading day on Tuesday. If y'all still holding buys, great. I wouldn't be looking to get out. If you still holding buys, your stop should be right up under 66.60. Just to be conservative, because it should retrace down at least to that. But if it continues going, you want to be out of that market. You don't want to give up all your money. But yeah, since you know what a high is, you can have your take profit kind of resting up in here, because it has a high chance it wants to take out liquidity up here and continue down. It can't do that. I'm not gonna put nothing past the Australian dollar, because we don't go against the grain over here. And if you do go against the grain, I only expect to get a nugget. We'll be trying to fill up the basket. Last 15-minute candle about to form. And look, we go push through this level. We already took profit for the major part of the move. We're just seeing if we're going to at least come down to our area down here. 66.62. It's the main take profit area. Bearish engulfing. Retest. Entry.
Tequila Código. For generations, there have been whispers in Mexico. A sacred tequila set aside by the humidors of Amatitan to share only amongst themselves. Today, the sacred spirit is for all, from the birthplace of tequila to your lips. Tequila Código, the whisper of Mexico.
Please drink responsibly. Código 1530 Tequila, 40% alcohol by volume. Copyright 2023. Imported by Código Imports, New York, New York.
I'm getting vaccinated with Prevnar 20.
So am I, because I have risk of pneumococcal pneumonia.
I'm asking about Prevnar 20 because there's a chance pneumococcal pneumonia could put me in the hospital. Age 65 or older, you may be at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about getting vaccinated with Prevnar 20, pneumococcal 20-valent conjugate vaccine, a Pfizer vaccine that can help protect against pneumococcal pneumonia in just one dose. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help prevent infections from 20 strains of the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval may depend on a supportive study. Don't get Prevnar 20 if you've had a severe allergic reaction to the vaccine or its ingredients. Adults with weakened immune systems may have a lower response to the vaccine. The most commonly reported side effect was pain at the injection site. For additional common side effects and full prescribing information, please call 1-855-213-213 or visit Prevnar20.com. I want to be able to keep my plans.
So
With
I'm
the
asking
last
my doctor
15-minute
about getting
candle
vaccinated with Prevnar 20.
coming up.
A lot of traders need to understand their role.
10 more minutes left. We got 9 more minutes left. Then we're gonna wrap up this live. Just to recap, we took a look at the hourly. We're looking like we were in the situation to refill this gap, this engulfing candle that happened at the pre NYC. Looked like we were gonna just mitigate all that, bring it back down to the bearish direction that it was heading in, and I'm gonna look at the 4 hour and see how that looks. If anything, if we do continue, I do have main targets down here at 66.62 in that area, and we could continue as low as we want, but knowing that at best or at most we gonna come back down here, because like I said, we already been filled or created most of the range for this pair, so we damn sure for sure not going no higher. If it is, maybe 20 pips from the high. Like, what we at? So 32, that was like 67, 32. $32 is up here. I'm not gonna be mad at that, if we did that. But nonetheless, I see more retracing down to kind of fill in this clean traffic more, or at least get us down halfway, dip lower, and then maybe we could look for buys right here. Like I said, we got areas down here too, so who knows? But nonetheless, I know this bullish engulfing was kind of premature. Not only that, it was near resistance, and those are kind of iffy. So if you really believe in this, let this candle play out to the downside and take buys at the lowest point. At least if you look at it like that, you'll be a better risk to reward, if you are right in your direction. You catch buys down here, put a tight stop, because you do have a potential if it's selling off, so you don't want to be putting your stop loss way down here on some dumb shit. Yeah. 5 more minutes left. Five more minutes left. What is it gonna do? And like I say, y'all continue to hold trades. Just realize we might get some movement that could, potentially want to shake you out from this JOLTS job openings we have at in 1 hour, 9 o'clock. I'll read this right quick. This is the United States JOLTS job openings. As of the last business day of the month in the United States, Job openings are defined as all positions that are open and not filled. Job opportunities are included in the job openings and labor turnover surveys. JOLTS, Job Openings and Labor Turnover Survey. It collects information from about 16,000 non-farm companies, including merchants, manufacturers, as well as federal, state, and municipal government agencies in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. According to the survey results, the unmet demand for labor in the United States labor market and gained prominence in 2014 as the Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen's preferred labor market indicator and is measured by the JOLTS. A higher than expected figure should seem bullish, and a lower than expected figure. So, how many job openings and labor turnover survey? What's that number?
Chocolate and pretzel?
They do it in millions. So 10 million was the previous. 10.5 million to be exact. Job openings. The consensus is 10.4. The actual was 9. So that's great. And jobs are coming into the market. So we should see a selling. If it's positive, there's a negative reaction in the market on the quoted pair. And what we have, a previous of 9.9, consensus of 9.7, and we'll have the actual in 1 hour.
Degrees and certificates in business, education, criminal justice, and more. The classes are small and engaging.
Oh, yeah, we definitely took profit.
And they have great student resources. But even better,
we're going to wrap this up. Let's see y'all again tomorrow, Wednesday morning at 6:30, where we talk about how well this that news release pulled off, and how much did we sell off into? Did we get into our area of interest here, or what? Want to know how this reacted throughout the rest of the day? And we'll talk about that tomorrow morning at 6:30. Just like every other day, plus on Sundays. So y'all tap in. And look, we did engulf that hoe. See? None of that was bullshit. We fully engulfed the engulfing. So yeah, looking like we're going to continue to sell off. So y'all tap in with us in the Telegram if y'all want to get more insight on how we looking at the market. But nonetheless, we'll be here tomorrow, 6 a.m. Peace out.